Guys, good morning. We're back in action, about to kill YouTube, about to have some fun. Today we're representing Veteran Tacos. Torres, my last name. Woo, woo, woo. Guys, when you come to Veteran Tacos, I know TJ style tacos are the best, but stop trying to pay us in pesos. They don't exist here no more. Stop paying us with that. I got both of my cousins, Adrian, Joe. We loaded up some of the guns because we got the other crazy big fucking Hulk guy. He's over there with a bunch of the rest of the guns because I could only carry so much weight in my car because I got a race on the way there. But we're about to have some fun. You guys ready for shooting range day? Let's roll. Let's get out of here. I really don't know what snacks are. Is that why I'm a little chubby on the waist? Chips are bad for you. They're not healthy. The diet section is on this side, right here. Somebody dropped it. I get a 20% discount, right? Because the pan is damaged. It's effective. She said 50% off. Damaged. You want nothing else, food to drink? My camera guy, I was gonna take care of my camera guy. Whatever he wants to drink, whatever he wants to eat. Gosh, you wanna go in and out? Okay, let's go. This tastes good. You gotta pay for the bag too?
No, you get free bag.
What? Free bag, baby. Y'all gotta follow her. Everywhere else. Y'all gotta pitch in from these videos. I'm gonna do a GoFund if you wanna keep this video going. No, I'm gonna be broke doing this video. My camera guy's like $500 a video. If you guys wanna hire him, I'll put up his Instagram. Bye, thank you. We're at the shooting range. My cousin Manny, the other Veteran Taco, the big Hulk guy. We got a teacher to come out here and teach us some good stuff. Get disrespectful. Let me take off the gun. So, we're gonna learn how to shoot today. None of the sideways, none of that, no. We're gonna teach us a military style to shoot. So we're gonna shoot, right? Got you guys. What is that big old drum? Do you want me to shoot while you load up clips? Magazine. And I just keep shooting the magazine? We just keep shooting and you just keep loading it? You want me to do that? No. Just for home and self-protection. Home and self-protection? What do you do, throw them at them when they break in? Yeah. As far as they can. Here we go, yeah. Like, die, motherfucker.
They didn't even let them get in the Marines. It's that bad.
It's that bad. Marines, I know y'all take a bunch of little tintins, but I signed up and no, man, I'm pissed off. No, they didn't let me.
they weren't that needed.
I passed the test, I did everything, did the physical, I did everything. Their mom took me to get that $500. Come on, you should sign up, mijo.
Yeah.
And she left with happy with her $500 card. And then, I don't remember who the hell was the president at that time, but he's all like, they canceled everybody. And I was like, what the f?
No, that's just what they told him.
No, they did. I was so pissed off because I wanted to go.
I've never used that one.
And she's all like, at least you could go to the Air Force. I ain't gonna Air Force, sit in a boat forever.
Air Force? They get Purple Hearts for sitting on a chair too long.
No, huh? We have a black guy going to the boat with the Mexican guy. He's selling drugs. Get the drone out. Nope, wrong guys. He's buying mazapanes. No, but I did. So the army said no.
What? They take anyone.
Hold on, don't film this. So, it was moving! At least you know if you're running from me, I ain't gonna hit you. How you doing? You feeling? You alright? It's hard out here?
His name is Geronimo.
Geronimo, you good, homie? Yeah? Alright. Yeah. What'd you say? We're leaving. We're all leaving. Everybody pick up your stuff. Let's go. Why? Because he's a camera guy? Good job.
That was good. That was good. When you're shooting, he'll teach you right now. When you're shooting, this part goes high on the beaver toe.
You can hold it back.
Right? This hand's gonna come under. Thumb goes right here on the little thing right here. This one lays on top. So like a V. Right? Front sight is sharp. Your rear sight is blurry. Right? So you're focusing on this.
Yeah.
Wherever that's at, that's where your bullet's gonna go. Right? If you stick it out and hold it out, when you come to release that, pull that trigger, that recoil, right, and your grip won't let it go nowhere. Right? So after you shoot it, it'll come back up, you reset your sight, and you pull the trigger again.
Hey, y'all keep moving that.
Just tell him that on the video, not to point at the target.
Can you go ding, ding, ding?
Five safety rules. Trigger your weapon if you're loaded. Never point your weapon at anything you do not intend to shoot. Keep your weapon on safe until you're ready to fire. Obviously, Glocks don't have exterior safes. It's just like the little tongue on the trigger. That's your safety for a Glock, so don't worry about that part. And the last one is know your target lies beyond. So those are the 5 safety rules that you live by when you hold a gun. So high grip thing. Okay, now what you're gonna do with this hand, you're gonna cant your wrist forward. Okay, and then you're gonna line it up. See how it lines up in that little groove right there? Keep the thumbs along the frame of the weapon right there. All right, now here is where you're gonna pinch that. So open this palm up. Now pinch the fingers here.
Pinch as in tight?
Yeah, as in like use your left fingers to squeeze down on your right fingers.
Yeah.
Okay, so pinch hard. Okay, now you're gonna focus more on the grip here than you are here. This is just kind of help to stabilize it, but you wanna pinch here, right? And you got full contact?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so go ahead and go shoulder width stance, toes facing the target. Your hips, there you go. Hips towards the target. Yeah, there you go. Put the right foot a little bit back. There you go. Bend the knees, weight of the ball of your feet. Okay. All right, now you're gonna pull straight up to where your arms are parallel. Okay. Yep, there you go. Now remember, as you slowly pull the trigger, you're putting your pad of your finger on that trigger, and you're gonna slowly pull back. Take your time. If it takes 100 seconds, that's fine. But slowly pull back. Front side alignment, right at the through the middle target. Do it again. One more time. Okay, so somehow you're aiming down there. So go ahead and holster.
Are you closing your eyes or opening, like, closing one, opening one?
But first of all, I know he didn't hit where he was looking, but look at the difference of the grouping now. Okay, compared to this. Let's see that grouping.
That's good.
Right. So just by we'll work on your side alignment, but just by that grip and the trigger control, that grouping is way better.
Yo! Today I have a real Marine, aka the Blake, is gonna show me how to blah 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 out of my car when they don't want to pay me. So yeah, come on, Blake. What we got? What we got today?
Hey guys, my name's Blake, former Marine. I'm gonna help Miguel out with getting out of a vehicle while a threat's coming towards him. So we're gonna keep it real simple, okay? So always safety is paramount. So when you draw your sidearm, you wanna have it horizontal towards the dashboard. So you're not flagging your legs, your body, anything on yourself. You're going to, in real life, you would actually wanna engage the threat through the windshield. But because Miguel's car is kind of expensive, we're not gonna do that today. So I'm going to show you, as you're getting out of the car, you can deal with the threat. You're going to pop the car door open. Use your foot to prop the door open so it doesn't come back at you. Once that's stable, you're going to get out of the vehicle. At this point, this is when you want to utilize cover by fire, shooting at the threat as you're backing up to hard cover, which is going to be back here towards the trunk. At this point, you can choose to either engage standing up or kneel down using the car's cover. Lean out, so make sure you don't hit the door, and engage the target from here.
You guys ready for this? I'm gonna turn around and show you how you do this. Little live, little demonstration, little live. Little live. Support up! Guys, we had so much fun here at the range. Just keep in mind, we're all family, Veteran Tacos. Even Blake, got a lot of love from, had a lot of fun today. He's one of the close ones. I'm gonna let Rojo take it out, close this off, this beautiful day, and we have so much fun. Thank you, God, and stay safe, the coronavirus. Take it away, come on. What'd you say?
During these times, it's important we all stay close and we stay united. We're not sure when we'll be back up, but as soon as they give us a green light, we'll be posted up for you guys so you guys can come through and enjoy your food. Just make sure to stay united, stay close. We're family. We took this day and came out to the range. Blake taught us a lot of good stuff, a lot of these perishable skills. We don't keep up, we lose them, so it was a good day for us.
Thank you guys.